Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, gagawa po tayo ng soba, a Japanese tempura soba. Soba is a Japanese name for buckwheat. It is usually refers sa maninipis na noodles made from a buckwheat flour. At dahil maulan-ulan ngayon, I'm craving for the hot soup with noodles. So guys, samahan niyo po akong magluto. Let's start to cook! Let's begin our cooking. First, we are going to make broth. Put 4 cups of water in a casserole. Add 2 tablespoons of mirin. One tablespoon of cooking sake. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of hondashi. Bring the soup to a boil. While waiting, let's slice green onion thinly and set it aside. Let's make ebi tempura. First, remove shell from shrimp. Make a small slice at the inner to make shrimp straight. Thoroughly wash the shrimp and drain it. Then pat dry with a paper towel. Next, we will make tempura batter. Mix tempura flour and water. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium to medium-high heat. Sprinkle shrimp, some salt and pepper. Dip shrimp in the batter. Then deep fry at the high temperature until shrimp cook through and lightly brown. Boiled water for soba noodle. Let's cook around 3 to 4 minutes. Drain the soba noodles and wash the noodles with cold water to get rid of slimy textures, then place them into a serving bowl. Place noodles on each bowl. Pour hot soup over the noodles and place toppings. Sprinkle Sichimi Togarashi if you like. For the toppings, we have ebi tempura and green onions.
Itadakimasu.
Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next cooking videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy cooking! Bye!